In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your voice in Suno AI. If you've ever wanted to integrate your own vocal recordings into a music creation process, this tutorial is just for you. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you get the most out of Suno AI's capabilities in creating personalized music tracks. First, you're going to want to log into Suno AI Music. Head over to the Suno website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have access to a stable internet connection for a seamless experience. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Suno dashboard, which acts as your main workspace. Now, let's move to the exciting part, creating your music. On the dashboard, locate and click on the Create button. This is your gateway to starting a new musical project. Immediately, you'll be given various options, and here you'll want to select Custom to tailor your project to your specific needs. This step allows you to fine-tune the elements of the track according to your preferences. Next, click on Audio. This section is designed for you to either record new vocals or upload existing ones. Here, you can capture your voice in real time. To do this, choose the Record option. You'll be able to start recording right away and likewise, stop when you finish delivering your vocal content. Ensure your microphone is properly set up and is capturing sound clearly. Alternatively, if you have a pre-recorded voice clip, you can opt to upload that file instead. This is a great option if you've already prepared your vocal content and are looking to integrate it into a new creation. Once your voice is recorded or uploaded, the next step is adding personal touches through prompts. Initially, you'll need to enter a prompt for the lyrics. This is where you can express your creativity by guiding the AI on the thematic content or mood you want the lyrics to convey. Following this, provide a prompt for the musical style. This step allows you to influence the genre or sound characteristics of the track to suit your taste. Finally, click Create to generate your song. The beauty of Suno AI is in its ability to use your recorded vocals as the foundation of the track. The system then applies its AI algorithms to expand upon your initial input, creating a unique music piece that incorporates your voice seamlessly into the mix. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to successfully use Suno AI to bring your voice into the world of music creation. This process not only highlights your unique vocal capabilities, but also provides an innovative way to make music that is truly yours. Enjoy the creative journey, and feel free to experiment with different styles and prompts to fully explore what Suno AI has to offer.